Ever wondered what Gojo Satoru's favorite dish tastes like? Well, today we're taking a culinary journey into the world of Jujutsu Kaisen to recreate the iconic rice and ginger dish, beloved by the enigmatic and powerful Gojo Satoru. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of short-grained sushi rice, 1.5 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and finally, a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. Start by rinsing the rice. Place it in a large bowl and cover it with cold water. Swirl the rice around with your hands until the water becomes cloudy, then carefully drain the water. Repeat this process until the water remains clear. This step helps remove excess starch from the rice, ensuring it doesn't clump together. Next, place the rice and the 1.5 cups of water in a pot. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the water is fully absorbed. While the rice is cooking, prepare the vinegar mixture. Combine the rice vinegar, sugar and salt in a small saucepan. Warm it over low heat, stirring until the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. Set this aside to cool. Now, let's attend to the star of this dish, the ginger. Peel the ginger and grate it finely. A thumb-sized piece should yield about a tablespoon of grated ginger. Once the rice has finished cooking, remove it from the heat and let it stand covered for about 10 minutes. After that, transfer the rice to a large bowl. Now comes the important part, seasoning the rice. Pour the cooled vinegar mixture over the rice. Use a rice paddle or a spatula to gently fold the vinegar into the rice. Be careful not to mash the grains. Next, sprinkle the grated ginger over the rice and fold it in, distributing it evenly throughout the rice. And there you have it, Gojo Satoru's favorite rice and ginger dish. It's simple yet satisfying, much like Gojo himself. To summarize, rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Cook it with 1.5 cups of water. Prepare a vinegar mixture. Grate some fresh ginger, then combine everything together. Remember, the key to this dish lies in its simplicity. It's a humble dish with a punch of flavor from the ginger, much like how Gojo Satoru is a seemingly laid-back character with a surprising amount of power. So, why not give this recipe a try? You might just find that it becomes your favorite dish too. After all, who wouldn't want to taste a dish loved by the strongest Jujutsu sorcerer?